Welcome to this screencast about Iron7. Iron7 is a Ruby interpreter and editor entirely on your Windows Phone 7. So if we start Iron7, then let's just start, as everyone should, by creating a new simple script. So if you create a new simple script, it creates this template for you with some includes at the top and a little bit of initialization code. If you run that, then what you get is you get hello world. Obviously that's not that exciting, but what you can now do is you can go in here into the editor and you can change that to anything you'd like to. So if you want to change it to WP7 rocks, then you can do so. If you'd like to change the size, then you can do so. So let's bring that down to 36, say. If you would like to change the color, then you can do so. So that's a text block dot foreground equals, and we'll change it to a solid color brush dot new, and we will choose colors dot red. So when you run that, you now get the message WP7 rocks in red in size 36. So you can see that it's quite straightforward to write simple apps, but you can take this a lot further. So some of the samples that this ships with is the Hello World, which is similar to what you've seen. It ships with a Ruby tutorial. So the Ruby tutorial sets up a console-like environment, and within that you get to see how to use for loops, you get to see how to use while loops, if statements, you get to see how to use cases, try catch, how to use classes, how to use modules, how to use hashes, how to use arrays. So when you run that, it takes you through those things and it outputs it as a console-like thing. So there's quite a lot of programming power in there, including these things called mixins that I definitely won't have time to cover in this. But these are all very powerful programming axioms within Ruby. So you can also manipulate things like graphics elements, so canvas type elements, and this is a clock example that ships with it. And there are also lots more examples using GPS, using location, using timers, using buttons. And just to show you a final sample within this, Tetris we've written based on a open source port of Tetris. And you can see that when you run this, you get a full experience, including you get the kind of buttons to go left and right, you get sound effects when you complete lines. And you can see the power of this programming environment. Beyond the simple app, we've also then created a website where you can share your scripts and you can download them, which gives you even more editing things. So that's available at script.iron7.com. The app itself is available now on the marketplace. Just have a play. I hope you really enjoy using it. Thanks.